Nebula and galaxy are two different things that are present inside the universe we live in. Often the understanding of a nebula is confused with other features of the space, particularly of a galaxy. This video highlights the differences between the two. Join us while we highlight the difference between galaxy and nebula. The word nebula is a Latin word, which simply means a cloud. However, the role of the nebula is not just this. Nebula is a cloud of interstellar dust and other ionized gases, particularly helium and hydrogen. A galaxy, on the other hand, is a huge collection of stars that are held together by gravitational attraction. A galaxy contains star systems, star clusters, along with interstellar dust. One of the basic differences between the two is their size. The size of a galaxy is generally many magnitudes higher than the size of a nebula. So, a nebula can be present inside a galaxy. A galaxy, however, cannot be contained within a nebula. When a lot of mass accumulates within a nebula, the gravitational attraction increases, and the nebula collapses to form a star. This does not happen with a galaxy, meaning that the galaxy as a whole does not collapse to give birth to a star. Galaxies exist in different shapes and sizes, and also with varying brightness. They are thus classified based on these factors. Generally, they are classified into three broad categories: 1 spiral, 2 elliptical, 3 irregular. Nebula are also generally classified on basis of their structure. Their classifications are, however, different than those of galaxies. Mainly, nebula are categorized into the following 4 types: 1 emission nebula, 2 He regions, 3 supernova remnants, 4 dark nebula. Although it may seem ironic, but in addition to nebula being formed at star birth, they can also be formed when a star implodes. A galaxy, however, is not formed during such an implosion. Another difference to note is that galaxies generally have a longer lifespan than that of a nebula. This is because a nebula is just one thing in a vast galaxy that can constitute up to more than millions of stars. The life of a galaxy is thus connected with the lives of all the stars within it. This also means that if a galaxy implodes, millions or billions of stars will die with it, but a nebula only results in one star death. Galaxies and nebula are different features of the vast universe that we live in. The main thing to note is that they differ greatly by their size, and while galaxies possess many stars, a nebula is just the beginning or end of one star.